I recently discovered something really exciting, and today I want to share it with you. It's a niche that's exploding with millions of views but still hasn't been fully tapped into. It is creating hybrid animals using AI. There's an Instagram account that skyrocketed to nearly 1 million followers in just a few months, and their top reel has surpassed 80 million views. Isn't that incredible? Naturally, I decided to dig deeper and see what's happening on YouTube. What I found was even more promising. Channels like Planet of AI have posted only 74 videos and already gained nearly 300,000 subscribers. Another example is Bionic AI with 119 videos and over 140,000 subscribers. Let me share one of their incredible videos with you, and then I'll guide you step by step on how to master creating content just like this that could potentially go viral. But here's one thing: this channel made a mistake, so YouTube didn't allow them to make money from their content. I will tell you the reason later and how to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make your own stunning hybrid animal content using free AI tools. Let's get into it. Step 1. Crafting your prompt with ChatGPT. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a prompt that will generate our hybrid animal images. Don't worry, it's super simple and involves just 3 parts. First, animal name. Second, animal name and the location. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, open up ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, it's quick and free to sign up. Once you're in, you can either ask ChatGPT to give you a list of animal names or come up with some on your own. From that list, pick 2 animals that you think would make an interesting hybrid. For example, I'm going to choose a lion and an eagle. Pretty cool combination, right? Next, decide on a location where you want your hybrid animal to be. It could be anything like a desert, a forest, a mountain range, or even a futuristic city. The location adds context and makes your image more captivating. Now, let's combine these elements into a prompt. Here's what mine looks like. Create an image of a lion-eagle hybrid soaring over a desert landscape. Simple, isn't it? Copy this prompt and paste it back into ChatGPT. When you do this, ChatGPT will generate 2 different prompts for you. Simple prompt, a straightforward description based on what you've provided. Hybrid prompt, a more detailed and creative version that might include additional artistic elements. Step 2. Generating images. Now it's time to test these prompts. First, copy the initial prompt, which is the normal image prompt. I personally recommend using Ideogram for this part since it consistently delivers high-quality results. Sign up for a free account on Ideogram. Paste the prompt, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, and click the Generate button. Alternatively, you can use another free image generator like Leonardo AI. Head over to their website and create a free account. Paste your prompt, choose a cinematic or dynamic style. Select the 9:16 ratio and click Generate. The third option I suggest is Bing Image Creator, which is also free and reliable. Choose the one that works best for you. Let's check the results from Ideogram first. I found the results to be quite impressive. Download the image you like the most. I've shared multiple options so you can get the best quality images without being limited by any single platform. Now, go ahead and copy the second prompt, the hybrid prompt, and repeat the process with any of the image generators, Ideogram, Leonardo AI, or Bing. Once you've compared the results, download your favorite hybrid image. Now, let's use different animals this time. The method is very simple. Just copy 2 new animal names, replace them in the prompt, and change the image location. Then, copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT again. ChatGPT will provide you with 2 new prompts. The first will be a normal image prompt, and the second will be a hybrid image prompt. Now again, copy and generate an image using the first prompt, which is the normal image prompt. Then, use the hybrid prompt for creating hybrid animal images. After generating the first image, download the best one. Then, generate the hybrid image using the second prompt and download it as well. Before we move on to the next step, I'll generate one more hybrid animal image because the next step is the most important part of this video. Step 3. Animating your images. Alright, the image generation phase is complete. Now we need to animate these images to really make them stand out and increase the chances of monetization. One of the best tools for this is Runway ML, but it's a paid option. If that's not in your budget, don't worry, I've got two amazing free alternatives, Minimax AI and Vidyo AI. I'll also share one more tool later on in case these don't work perfectly for you. To animate, start by uploading your hybrid image to Minimax AI. Click the Create button and let the tool do its magic. If this option isn't working for you, head over to Vidyo AI. Click on Generate Videos for free. Choose from Image on the left-hand menu and upload your image. Type in a simple prompt to describe the action happening in the image, then hit Generate. Be patient as the process might take a while depending on the tool and your internet speed. If you're not happy with the first attempt, don't worry, just retry it a few times until you get the perfect clip. Now, as much as I like Minimax AI, Vidyo AI has consistently produced better results for me. However, if you're still not fully satisfied, I've got another free tool for you called Ideogram AI. Go to their website and sign up with a temporary email if you want. Upload your hybrid image and choose the animation style. I recommend the zoom in effect for a dynamic look. After you're happy with your selection, click the Export button. Select MP4 with 3D motion and follow the on-screen prompts. Keep clicking Next until your animation is complete. You'll have a beautifully animated hybrid animal ready to go. With these multiple tools at your disposal, you can choose the best one for your project depending on your needs and preferences. Step 4. Video editing. For the video editing process, I am using CapCut. You can use this tool on mobile or PC. First, import the normal image and hybrid clips into CapCut. Start by dropping the normal image onto the timeline, making sure it's 1 or 2 seconds long. Then add the hybrid clip and trim it to 1 or 2 seconds as well. Keep all clips the same length. If you are displaying an image for 1 second, then display each clip for 1 second. Using this method, place all the images and hybrid clips on the timeline and adjust them accordingly. Next, select the first image, go to Animation, and apply any animation style to all the normal images. There's no need to animate the clips because they are already animated. Then, go to Transitions and apply a zoom in or pull in transition. You can choose any transition based on your video editing style. After applying all the transitions, download or go to Stickers and find the plus icon to add above all normal images only. Now it's time to add background music. Make sure to use copyright-free music. I'm using a track I downloaded from the hybrid video, so I'll leave the link in the video description. Once this is done, export your video. Here's a demo of the final product.
Bull and scorpion joint together. Shark and bear joint together. Panther and horse joint together. Dragon and wolf joint together. Lion and scorpion joint together. Tiger and dinosaur joint together. Lion and crocodile joint together.
Now here are the tips for monetization. For increased chances of monetization, try adding a voiceover, animations, or a combination of both. Adding educational value can also help attract more subscribers and get approval for monetization more easily. Once you've built a solid audience, you'll have the flexibility to explore similar but different content topics later on. And at the end of the video, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.